Hey guys, it's Katie back with another AFI DIY. Today we're making Fizzing toilet cleaning powder. This mixture is very effective and it smells great. Plus, who doesn't love a little fizz? The fizzing feature will definitely make it way more fun to clean your toilet. Let's take a look at the recipe. For supplies, you'll need a glass mixing bowl, a stirring utensil, a container to store your product in. For ingredients, you'll need 81.63% or 1 1/2 cups of baking soda, 18.14% or 1/3 cup of citric acid, 0.23% or 20 drops of fragrance. For today's fragrance, we went with Fresh and Clean. It smells so refreshing and would be perfect for your bathroom. Let's get started. Start by combining the baking soda and the fragrance in your mixing bowl. Once the combination is mixed completely, then stir in the citric acid. Doing the steps in this order prevents activating the citric acid with the fragrance. Continue stirring until all parts are combined. Now all that's left to do is packaging. Perfect, now your fizzing toilet powder is ready to use. This DIY only costs us about $1. It can be sold wholesale for $2 to $3 and retail for $4 to $6. We have a DIY an all-purpose dilutable cleaner that can be used to clean the rest of your bathroom. Be sure to check it out. We'll see you in our next AFI DIY. Bye!